Check it out, everybody. We're working on my grill in the front end today. This is from LMC. It's the OEM style grill housing shell that I got, because the inside here, that's what we're doing different. The headlights are going to be different. I'm here at Saltworks with Tom, and we've been using the laser machine, and he's going to be using the CNC to give me what I want. And yeah, pretty excited.